World War I, World War II, the golden age of aviation, the nuclear age, the space age, and now the information age.
We have returned to an era of great power competition. We must prepare.
If your facilities fail you, your mission fails you. And if you don't invest in the foundation of power, the edge of the sword will dull.
Rapidly deploying tailored and cohesive fighting formations depends on access to a global network of bases from which we project combat power.
A fist is nothing without the weight of the body behind it. It takes all of us to get that combat power ready and able to fight.
America's military has no preordained right to victory on the battlefield. The fight is coming, and we have from this moment forward to get ready. Fight's on.